Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at using a whiteboard in Curipod and giving AI feedback to explain the concept. But first, let's just say I use Curify my slides a ton and I want to save them quickly and easily to come back to it. You can save it into My Generators just by selecting right in here and then selecting to your favorites or add a brand new collection. You can see I have an AI Whiteboard one as well. And what does that AI Whiteboard one look like? So let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to explain the concept. So I have it right here. And you can see it's anywhere from like second grade up to 12th grade. And in this one, I'm just going to go ahead, second grade angles. We're going to go ahead and present this. This is fun. It's pretty, I don't want to say it's simple, but it's fun for the students to go ahead and create and use their creativity to explain a specific concept and then get instant AI feedback, which is awesome. Not allowed to input images. So let's go ahead through. You can see there's a ranking of 1 through 7. So in this one, this is going to go in with angles, and they would have 5 minutes. Of course, you could add more or have less time as well. I'll show you what it looks like from a student point. Okay, so I joined. My nickname is a Flying C. Let's go ahead over here. I'm just going to mute this for right now. I'm going to keep it at 5 minutes just for a little bit. I'll go ahead in, select play, and then I'll just show you real quickly what I would recommend doing. Just because of time, let's just talk about a square. What I would then do is I would quickly and easily just draw arrows going to the angles where angles are, and then simply explain using right in here. We can just go ahead and type squares have 360 degrees with each angle being 90 degrees. Then you could come right over here, select here, and if I want to go ahead and I want to draw something, for example, a triangle, I'm going to go ahead and draw a triangle. And just state, again, I could go ahead and write something in here about triangles, 180 degrees, so on and so forth. And the more description they would add, the better it would be. Again, you can always change font size, the color of the stroke, so on and so forth. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to submit this. Then I'm going to go back from the teacher point of view. I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to give feedback right away. So show you from a student's point of view what they would say. Okay, in mere seconds, here it is. And I got a 5 out of 7. So not bad. Again, this was second grade. So just really some great things you can do with this. And it's fun. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.